Hey guys, I'm Paul from Contract Renovation and Custom Homes and the host of The Art of Renovation. Today I want to show you a really cool upgrade to consider when planning your renovation, especially if you want more light and to open up your space to create better flow to an adjacent area. So in this case, this family wanted more light in the kitchen and to be able to serve and entertain from with the kitchen into the adjacent space. This happens to be an addition we built for them, but this could be to your deck or any other room in your home. So these are a great option. This is called a folding window system. And as you can see now, when it's wide open, we have a 9-foot unobstructed view and space through which we can serve and entertain. We have a little bar area on the other side here, so it's great for entertaining and really helps to open up the space to the connecting room or to the outside. And when it's time to shut her down, whether it be weather dependent or you're done entertaining and you want just a space again for your family that's kind of cozy, I'll show you how the system works and then we can close it up and you'll see the difference. All right, so now you probably hear the sound has changed because now we have a window in place and it really creates for kind of a great classic kitchen area. We still have lots of nice light from the exterior. It's really a great option to consider. So when you're planning your renovation, you know, talk to your general contractor about the options that you have available because they can really be a game changer for your space. I'm Paul from Contract Renovation and Custom Homes. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels.